I'm Kristen and I'm from One Focus Property Management, and today I'm standing in the kitchen of 236 Pennsylvania Avenue and it's apartment number 1. This is a really cute 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and it's got a lot to love. So instead of standing here talking about it, telling you all the things, I'm just gonna walk you on through. And after that, I'm gonna tell you how to make this the next place that you're calling home. So when you walk in, you are greeted by these beautiful arched doorways. One way will take you into the kitchen, which we're gonna go first. You have plenty of room in here to be able to put a nice sized table, kind of tuck it away off to here, and then look at all the cabinets. There is plenty of cabinets. Fridge and stove are included. You have this super cool like pantry area here. That really increases your storage. And then you have a bedroom right off of here. There is plenty of room to put a queen size bed in here and probably put it here coming out. You can kind of set it up however you want, but you have this very large closet at this end. And then you also have a hanging rack for additional storage down at the other end of the bedroom. As we come all the way through here, we're gonna come right into the bathroom. Cute and cozy. Got some storage in here and everything that you need for hygiene. Great built-ins going into this living room area here. Plenty of space for very large. You can do like, I could see like a wraparound couch and then be able to put your entertainment center, couch, love seat, chair, however you want to do it. There's definitely room to be able to put some decent sized furniture. We've got another bedroom here, definitely suitable for at least a queen size bed. You've got a closet as well. And then last but not least, we have another bedroom that is equal in size to the other bedroom that also has its own closet. Well, I've got another cute and cozy apartment. It's got 3 bedrooms. It's got 1 bathroom. It's really easy to get to. You've got off-street parking. You're not too far away from downtown Lock Haven. I mean, there's so much to love. I'm not gonna keep talking about it because I know what you want. You wanna know how to make this yours. Well, you go to www.onefocuspm.com and you'll look at our residential listings and you'll be able to see all of the property information. You'll be able to book your tour and even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a real person like me, you can call us today at 570-505-3347. Here at One Focus Property Management, we're ready to help you find the next place that you're calling home. And this is it, guys. So don't hesitate to get a hold of us because this one's gonna go fast.